Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you in classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, which statement is true about importing and exporting bank rolls? Bank rolls will export and Excel select the create plus icons to import rolls only, and counter users import export bank rolls. The same vendors have to exist in all QuickBooks Online companies prior to the export and import. The correct answer of the question is the statement that is true about importing exporting bank rolls in QuickBooks Online is only with content users can import export bank rolls. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.